Good morning, good evening, good something, good whatever. Hope you're doing well. If you ever get bored during this presentation, I advise you check out these fractals here. They are really beautiful. It's amazing. We used to have Mandelbrot. Oh, come on. Shut up, YouTube. We used to have Mandelbrot and things, but this year is really advanced. They kind of design their fractals now. It's really beautiful. Some of these are 4D and are projected into 3 dimensions, but some are actually 3D only. Look at this, man. It's so detailed, it's so amazing. And he's got loads of videos like this. Just modern computers make it possible, plus advanced math, plus the artist's eye directing the formulas. He even makes tutorials about how he produces the videos. It's amazing, actually. I strongly advise to check out. Also, Bitcoin has been going up. I got paid in Bitcoin, and around here, just exactly the day before, it really spiked from 16,000 per Bitcoin to 19,000 euros, over 19,000 now. So I made a few bucks. I think I made like eight bucks or so. They're converting it to euros now. Maybe they're overloaded, or somebody has to get their euro reserves out to convert all the Bitcoin. I don't know. That felt good, actually. Making money by basically just waiting. We are making a new website, pace5.com. New collaboration. AI and crowdfunding. Well, crowdfunding is the main part. AI is what the bot is supposed to do. And we have various bot personalities. However, they don't do much yet. We're working on this in the background. So what can we do? We can do notifications. I have wanted this for a long time. You know, the kind of notification that the browser sends you on behalf of a website, even when the website is not open. Like what YouTube does and what Facebook does, etc. I've only ever seen these with Chrome, but I think the API is for Firefox also. It's a standard API. So we'll try Firefox, because that's my coding browser, basically. Beginner's Guide to Web and Push Notifications. We need something that's called a service worker, which is basically a web page that is running on the client computer, on the user's computer. And it has limited permissions, obviously. Okay, I have never done this before. Let's see how quickly we can do this. No frameworks, basic web app, that's music to my ears. Who wants frameworks? Okay, don't need this. Okay, this I will want to copy, or I will scan for what is interesting here. This is standard, this is a style sheet. Okay, this basically is nothing yet, it's just a hello world. So verbose, just a hello world. Okay, JavaScript is working. Background color beige. Okay, so far we have not done much here. HTTP server, yes, I have my own, no problem. Okay, we need push API and service workers. Browser support is good. Okay, so we have some JavaScript. We check if the service is available. We need these two. We need service worker and push manager. So this is a more boilerplate. Yeah, why not make the code a little longer? Let's just use the core piece and put it in some new snippet. Or we could use the Gazelle website, right? Let's see if it can be Googled properly. Gazelle.rocks. Well. Yes, oh, it's pretty good. What have you got here? Some game? No. Animals in a game, I guess. Some actual gazelles. Oh yeah. There's my video and there's the homepage. Thank you, Google. You have done good. Service worker test. Oh, this is kind of stupid. I wanted to make it code, actually. Yeah, sure, it should be JavaX. JavaX code, HTML bot. Throw error, do I really want this? No, I just print and exit. Oh, that's why the function you cannot exit unless you have a function. This should do. Okay, that's our first test for browser support. Okay, show me. It shows nothing, that's okay. And the console says that I'm stupid. This right. I'm not the JavaScript super expert. I will admit any day of the week. Okay, now our error is gone, so we have support for these APIs. What next? Register a service worker and get permission for notification. Oh, we need a separate file. Okay. Okay, we can do that. We can store any kind of file on Gazelle. No problem. Service.js. Type is... You can just make up types here. JavaScript. Okay, they are proposing to just log a line. There. Oh, we should put a link here to get the raw text of this post. Yeah, let's do that. Raw text. Okay. I think that will work. Where are we? Here, register service worker. Oh, we need an async function. That's advanced stuff. Doesn't look that horrible though. Yeah, let's use their method here with the errors and stuff. So we have a check function. There should be semicolons, right? If you're really correct. You need one here. It works without it too. JavaScript is very flexible. But it should have a semicolon. Okay, async function. Okay, this has to be, I think, something like this. It's the URL of the service script. Let's try. The operation is insecure. What has happened? Oh, we can find out how many workers we have in the browser. Let's check out. About debugging workers. Oh, I have a few. Okay. Quite a few, and they all say halted. Not sure what that means. All right. This code is exactly like I copied it. So what does this mean? The operation is insecure. That's annoying. Line 19, that is this one. Register service worker. Register service worker. Something wrong with this URL thing. Let's see, service worker API. Register. Oh, we are in German. Let's not do that. Script URL. Oh, it needs to have a valid MIME type. MIME types are kind of stupid, but here's our raw text link. And it has something like CT for content type. Text JavaScript, right? And so I wonder if that's possible actually with these parameters here. Let's give it a go. We have no errors, that's perfect. And do we have a service worker in the list now? We do. Yes. Oh my god, yeah, it's being run. And it says hello from service worker. My god. That's perfect. Gazelle service worker inspector or whatever. Okay, wow. Step 1 done. My goal is to make something like a clock. Whenever your browser's open, I want every hour there's going to be a notification from Gazelle with the current time. Just as a demo. That's going to be annoying really soon. Okay, next thing is we do something in the service worker. Namely, we show some notifications. Request notification permission. I have this somewhere else already. Well, let's see. Yeah, here. Yeah, let's use the function. And how about some title? Service worker test. Service worker test. Etc. All right, okay. We just need jQuery. It was complaining because you need to do a click first, and then the user needs to click first, and then notifications can be enabled. It's another security feature, but apparently it worked anyway. And okay, now we try to show some notifications, right? Now that we have permission from the user, we can go ahead and try out the notification pop-up. It might be a bit different from the syntax in a service worker. Not window dot, because we don't have this. Wait. Oh yeah, we get a service worker registration object. And then we show our notification. And the rest of the call is the same, I think, as here. Is it? No, it's completely different, actually. Okay, completely different syntax compared to these normal in-page notifications. Okay, so forget the thing we did here. Or is it the same kind of permission call? Let's see. Permission. Window notification request permission. Window notification request permission. That's the same thing. Okay, that part we can keep. It's so, you know, this standard programming stuff, it's basically a waste of time. But we have to do it when we want our notifications. It's like jumping through some hoops that you don't actually care about. Okay, they propose this function, show local notification. Sure. Yeah, wait, but I want to show the notification in the service worker. Man, this is stupidly complicated. Let's simplify this. Okay. Demo notification. Hello user. Copy this. Okay, no errors. And there's our notification. Hello user, very nice. But now for the actual offline notification stuff. We need to register to the push service. Okay, in the service worker, there's an activate event called only once when you agree to the whole thing for the first time, I guess. And there it subscribes to a push manager. Okay. This stuff is not straightforward. Well, depends on how you look at it. Where's my service worker source code? Here. Okay. What's with these semicolons? I mean, this is proper code, dude. Use your semicolons. So my options are empty for now. Do I have to re-register this thing now? Unregister the service workers. Which is, how do I do this? Here, right? Okay, it says that it doesn't wait for fetch events. So here I guess I can deactivate. Then I try to reactivate. No active worker. Yeah, but it's it just came back. Let's check the errors. Okay, it's been stopped. Let's start. Let's check. Hello from Gazelle service worker. And no further errors. That's good. But no output either. Let's log some more stuff. Push manager dot subscribe. Done. This is all async, so it may sleep here. Okay, unsubscribe, reload. Okay, oh, we are subscribed. Very good. Updates, push services, Mozilla, what have you. Interesting. I hope this is not sensitive information. Well, can't be that bad, I guess. Okay, we have this part. Endpoint, blah, blah. Yes, I see this. Okay, let's bookmark this tutorial. Okay, we need 2 more keys. Application server key. Wow, I need to generate some keys. Holy moly. Of course, I don't have Node.js, so... Okay, it's another step required for Chrome. What is this? User visible only? This parameter restricts the developer to use push messages for notifications. Okay, so I'm not... Okay. The service worker cannot send data to the server without showing something to the user. I believe that's what they're talking about. Okay, options. Where does it have to go? Okay, in the options parameter here. Required by Chrome. And to do generate application server key. I'll be so glad when this is done. Okay, make this... Maybe there's a way to do it in Java. Let's ask Google. Vapid keys. You are so vapid. Yeah, Bouncy Castle. Funny name for the Java library for encryption stuff. I've had some trouble before. I don't know. What's this one here? Web push libs. Okay, I could simply use OpenSSL. That kind of sounds better in this case. Fantastic. Okay, OpenSSL, generate vapid key. Asymmetric elliptic curve cryptography. Yes, sure. Why not? Okay, it's not that hard. One line for the private key, one line for the public key. Yes, let's bookmark, and I will do this at a later point. All right. Okay, this is about the key stuff. How do I send the messages now? Create an API endpoint. Okay, the service worker receives the event using this here with some data. And here we can call the notification, I'm sure. Yes, finally we show the notification. On the push event, we call the notification function. Phew, it's magic. It's magic. Yeah, we of course need some kind of database in the backend. Oh, holy. We do need this key, right? Or can we do it without the key? Firefox web push notifications without vapid key. Here. Yeah, I'm guessing it's not possible. Hmm. Tch. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, well, once again, here's the activate, here's the subscription, and then what is this save subscription thing? Okay, after I'm subscribed, I save this subscription on the server. So here I call my server, send whatever I like. So the server knows I want some kind of notification. Okay. Okay, this is completely in my own choice here, to do this or not do this, I guess. There's not even any content here, it's just a post with, oh, there's content, of course. This is the body, is the subscription data that I got as a JSON string. We saw this here, where was it? This kind of stuff. Endpoint, keys, auth, and whatever. Huh. I knew this was a challenge, but I thought it was easier. Oh, the URL we get here, this updates push services mozilla.com. This is probably the URL we have to call from the server in order to push the notification. Oh, that's what we save also. Okay. Okay, let's add the event listener. Here, push event. And show the notification, right? Here. Gazelle notification. I'm sorry. So I unregister my service worker. Yeah, I do have to call the backend also. Okay, step by step. Here and here. This demo notification, let's just skip this one. It seems there is a problem. Who cares? So it's back here. Start and examine. Hello. It's not activating. I mean, it was already activated. Yeah. It's a bit odd. Let's try again. There it is. Check it out. Okay. Sometimes it doesn't do this subscription stuff. Okay, service worker active, but we need to push the event from the server. Okay. Yeah, we can just make an endpoint in Gazelle here. UI web push subscribe. Oh, we are retrieving JSON directly. Not sure if I handle this properly, actually. Input stream. Okay, here we get some post data. Did I add this? It looks like my code a little. We are having post with a special content type. So we get it in post data, apparently. There. New web request. No. Okay, here. Ah. Get files. Okay. I think that's correct. It compiles. That's good. Wait. Okay, I think we can get the data on the server now. I think post data was the name. What's happening here? I have to extend my web server a little bit with a bit of new functionality. Now I forgot what I was just doing. Oh yeah, post data, exactly. Okay. JSON decode map data. Let's print. And now is there an unsubscribe? When I delete the service worker, maybe there is no unsubscribe, but when I try to push messages from the server, probably Mozilla.com complains if the user is not registered anymore. This has quite a few moving parts. We have my server, we have the Mozilla server or some Google server. We have the user's machine. Some stuff going on. Oh, is it a map of, maybe it's not a map of strings, it's some kind of map. Okay, let's just store it as an object, subscriptions. Web push subscription, data. And how about storing the IP? Why not? Start of concepts. What? Whatever. Concept web push subscription. Client IP. Map data. Let's make a flag. If web push enabled, add the class to the admin. web push enabled. And finally, we return something to the browser. Okay, message success, sounds good. Let's do that. Serve JSON, message success. Whew. I wonder if this compiles. I'm sure we will need these keys sooner or later. Yeah. How do I do this in Java even? Java send web push. Can I just call the URL or something? I need these private and public keys. Maybe I need a library for this. Wait. I need a library, yes. Oy, oy, oy. Like this one, web push libs. Are we still compiling? Yes, we are. Okay. Yeah, it depends on the aforementioned bouncy castle library. I guess it's okay, it just has many versions and I found it a bit complex to employ. Why does encryption take multiple seconds? Phew. Okay, so I need to import this library. Okay. Okay, this time it compiled. So okay, now we see this new table here of our subscriptions, and we will try to reload the service worker here. Did I call the backend yet? No, I didn't. Save subscription. No, it's in the service worker. Where is it? Here. Yes. Here we call the, okay, after the subscribe, we call the save subscription method. Okay, and the URL, is it a local URL? I mean relative, probably not. Probably it needs the whole server name. What was the endpoint again? Here. Delete again. Register again. Look at output. Oh, we have called the, we have called the endpoint. And what about our results here? Oh yeah. Oh, that's very good. It's kind of better than I expected. We have all the data here. We know when it was subscribed. This information is saved implicitly. We know from where the subscription came. And now if we integrate this fancy library, we can actually send push notifications. Oh, and we need to generate this key pair. But this library might allow us to make these key pairs out also. Yep. Cool. We're almost there. By the way, the server is also getting better. The chatbot is getting better. We have something cool now that's called dialogue trees. This is the dialogue as envisioned by the bot. Unless the user says something random, then we respond to that. But if we go through the normal process that the bot wants, there's this kind of tree where the user can select certain things at a certain point. And we do some stuff. This is not defined yet. And also we will collect inputs. So for every question that the bot asks, we will record the answers centrally so we can learn new answers and find problems. If the user says, I don't understand, it's important feedback. And similarly, this are all the steps that have been executed when talking to users. Okay, so we need this library. It's always a bit of a pain to integrate libraries in JavaX, but it's possible. I need the jar files and upload them to my server. Yep. Okay. I'll do that off camera. Some more fractals for you. Okay, later.